We have another example on the board. We're supposed to find the derivative of 4 over x. So again, we are going to write the formula first. So if dy over dx is equal limit as delta x approaches 0, and I have f x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Okay? It's always good to write the formula. If you are going to write the formula, you will always remember it. So, next, we are going to plug in the values into the formula. So, we are going to have limit as delta x approaches 0 of, and we're supposed to realize that we're supposed to use this fraction, and instead of x, I'm supposed to write x plus delta x first. Okay, so I have 4 over x plus delta x minus, copy down whatever is given. So I have 4 over x. Why? Because y is equal f of x over delta x. Next, we're supposed to subtract the fractions in the numerator. In order to subtract them, we're supposed to find the common denominator. So I'm going to write, again, limit, and I have delta x approaches 0, and common denominator in the numerator of my fraction is going to be x times x plus delta x. So I'm going to have 4x minus 4, and I have x plus delta x over x plus delta x. Everything over delta x. Okay, so next, please realize that in the numerator we are dealing with fraction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also make the fraction in the denominator. Okay, so this is my first fraction, this is my second fraction. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to organize the top one, and I'm going to write limit delta x approaches 0, and 4x, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, negative 4 times delta x is negative 4 delta x over x plus delta x times, because I'm going to convert division to multiplication, 1 over delta x. Okay, this is equal. Again, I'm going to write limit delta x approaches 0, and let's organize the numerator. 4x minus 4x, they are going to subtract each other, and I end up with negative 4 delta x. Please notice that we have multiplication of two fractions. Anytime you multiply fractions, you're supposed to eliminate any denominator with any numerator. So this delta x and this delta x will cancel out. Okay? So we're going to end up with negative 4 over x, and I have x plus delta x. Okay, I add extra bracket, we don't need that. So please realize that we have delta x, right, approaching 0. So it means that this delta x will approach 0. So let's take a look what we have got. We have negative 4 over x squared. And this is the solution to my problem.